So, da ni yma heddiw achos hwn ydy prif ddigwyddiad yn calendar myfyrwyr Bangor. Mae o'r VARSITY 2025, a be di VARSITY di dros 40 o wahanol gweithgareddau chwaraeon sydd yn ymlaen ers y 2-3 diwrnod dwytha, ond heddiw di'r pinnacle y digwyddiad, lle da ni gorffan y fama heno efo gêm pêl-droed y merched am y tro cyntaf. So mae VARSITY wedi mynd ymlaen ers 2007 yn y strwythur yma, efo Bangor di ennill 11, Aber di ennill 5, ond mae Bangor wedi ennill yr 8 mlynedd dwytha. Felly, nid yr ffefrynnau i ennill am y 9fed gwaith, ond da ni fel arfer yn cael pêl-droed y dynion fel y prif ddigwyddiad, ond leni am y tro cyntaf ers 2007 da ni'n cael pêl-droed y merched, sydd yn ffantastig i weld. Byddwch chi'n gweld mae'r myfyrwyr i gyd yn barod am y prif ddigwyddiad, ar ôl iddyn nhw fod yn cymryd fy rhan yn eu campan nhw yn ystod y dydd.
During the VARSITY day, there's a sequence of events that run right through the day of all different sports. Whichever teams win that, they get a point. The university with the most points at the end of the day wins the whole event. It's not been a great day for Abertystwyth, so we really need to finish on a high with this one.
Bangor Uni and Aberystwyth have always been huge rivals, and I think in sports it is great to have a rivalry. Sometimes at this event that line can be crossed and there is less sportsmanship behaviour that goes on, and this year we really worked at positively promoting the culture and improving things from previous years, getting students to really understand how much work's put into an event like this and how well it could really be if the culture is respected. Still keeping the rivalry, still keeping the competition, but everybody promoting positivity rather than negative towards the other team.
Mae Aberystwyth jyst wedi sgorio, ond oedd yna'n dderchog. Dwi'n gwybod ni wedi cael amser galed hyn o bryd yn VARSITY. So mae'n neis i cael y cymdeithas yma, pawb yma, a pawb o pob society a popeth yn just dathlu gyda gilydd. Mae'n dod â cymuned gyda gilydd, dwi'n meddwl. VARSITY is always a great day out. I love it. A highlight of the year it is.
We've got them in the bag. We're winning the day by fast, I think. 1-0, that's not much, mate. We'll get them back. Go on, Bangor!
Let's go, come on!
We've got thousands here today. But Aberystwyth are 1-0 up. Libby Isaac penalty. Should have had a second penalty, we won't go into that one. And yeah, we're looking really good. I'm really looking forward to seeing hopefully the girls getting a good result. We've had a heavy loss today, so it'd be really nice to take that sting off the Bangor fans to be able to win this final event today. Yeah, I think the fact that the women's game is finished and the whole game event's off, it just shows that how much we value women's sport, that it is just as important to us as men's sport. And hopefully more women will want to come to Aberystwyth and Bangor universities, they'll want to come and play football for us, they'll want to come and play other women's sports, because they know that we value it just as much. It's no different to us here.
Dynod gret i Prifysgol Bangor wedi ennill VARSITY 2025 am y 9fed mlynedd yn ôl. Ia, so dwrnod hapus i ni, ond dwrnod da hefyd yn myfyrwyr sydd wedi cael dwrnod i'w gofio.
It was a lot for us. It was a big deal to be main event for the first time. There's a lot of pressure on us, and we're all really nervous, but we wanted to show up. There's a lot of people here giving us a lot of stick. It wasn't a pretty game, but we did what we did. We deserved the win, and we got that, so very proud.
Bangor are the real winners because we got the heart and the